Hi, thank you for your interest in our Lamborghini Urus. Let me show you around the car. So this is a 2025 registered Lamborghini Urus Performante. It's finished in Grigio Telesto, one of my favourite colours. It's got a great specification and only one private owner from new, done 5,400 miles. It's got the genuine exposed carbon bonnet. A lot of these people have the bonnet wrapped to look like this, but this is the actual real McCoy. The car's been protected with PPF all over the whole car from new, so the conditions are all exactly as it should be. It's a local car and we know the owner, so we can say for sure that it's all original. It hasn't had any work done to it. Love those 23-inch wheels with the orange calipers. Carbon is on the wheel arches as well. Edge of the rear roof spoiler and the boot spoiler. Also extends to the rear diffuser where it has the Pelope exhaust system. As I say, condition is superb. As you can see by the boot here, still got the original protective blue film they put on these from the factory. Let me show you inside the car. It's got a great specification. It's finished with the Alcantara leather interior with the orange inserts to match the brake calipers and orange stitching as well. Carbon inserts on the dash. Bang & Olufsen hi-fi system. It's got a head-up display. Just about see that. Orange stitching on the Alcantara and on the inside of the steering wheel as well. These beautiful seats. Panoramic roof's also an option. It's also got full ADAS. As you can see, the condition of the seats is superb. And mileage, as I look at it, is 5,442 miles. Being a 25, it's still covered by the manufacturer's warranty and also the Lamborghini service inclusive package. Soft closed doors. The rear of the car is equally as clean as the rest of the car. I really like the Alcantara seat backs. Something you don't always see in the photos. There's a carbon that extends all the way through the dash and onto the centre console as well. As with all our cars, this will be ready to drive away. We offer finance, part exchange. You can also buy this remotely and have it delivered to your door. Finance rates start from 8.9%. With cars like this, we have specialist lenders, so if there's a certain package or a certain way you'd like to finance it, give us a shout. We have access to pretty much all the lenders on the market. I hope you've enjoyed looking at this. If you've got any questions, please don't hesitate to get in touch. Car's on site and ready to be viewed.